Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. In today's session, we will focus on taking full control of your life. This meditation is designed to empower you, help you reclaim your inner strength, and guide you to a place of clarity and confidence. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight but relaxed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Let's begin. As you take another deep breath, feel the air fill in your lungs, bringing in fresh energy and life. With each inhale, you invite a sense of empowerment. With each exhale, you release any tension or doubt that might be holding you back. Now, visualize yourself standing at the center of your life, surrounded by everything that makes up your world, your thoughts, emotions, relationships, and responsibilities. You are the focal point, the one in control. Take a moment to acknowledge that you have the power to shape your reality. Everything you need is already within you. Breathe in deeply, and as you do, imagine a warm, golden light filling your body from head to toe. This light represents your inner strength, your ability to create change, and your capacity to take control. Feel it spreading, filling every corner of your being, from your heart to your mind to every muscle and bone. With each breath, this light becomes brighter and stronger. Now, repeat silently in your mind, I am in control of my life. I choose my path and I trust myself. Feel the power of these words resonate within you. Allow yourself to believe them fully. As you continue to breathe, feel your confidence growing, as if you're standing taller and stronger, ready to face anything that comes your way. You are no longer a passenger in your life. You are the driver. You decide where to go, what to focus on, and how to react. Every choice is yours. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, allow any lingering fears or doubts to melt away, dissolving into the air. Know that whenever you feel lost or uncertain, this inner strength is always with you, ready to be tapped into. You have everything you need to take control of your life. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this newfound sense of control and empowerment with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe to Guided Meditation, Voyage, for more peaceful journeys. Namaste.